So today I'm gonna chug Mountain Dew as challenge number 3. Chug it. And to prove that I'm pouring Mountain Dew in it, right here. Fresh. Okay. So what we're gonna do is get an invisible cup. So you can get not invisible, I'm sorry, see through. Just showing you guys the Mountain Dew. So why don't we get a see-through cup? This will work. Set it. Once the clock reaches 1:30, I'm gonna chug it in less 15 seconds. That was a lot of Mountain Dew. I filled it up to empty. So what I was gonna, if you read forward to exactly 1:30, I will exactly stop at 1:45. So I chugged about half a cup in less than 15 seconds. I'm not the best chugger, but that was challenge number 2. Leave comments below on what other challenges I should do, because there will be more, so stay tuned.